Hi guys, I'm Kenz. Today, I'm gonna teach you how the connection of access control works using Seiketeko SF400. Let's go! We need to have the main items that we need to use. First, Seiketeko SF400. Second, centralized power supply with battery. Third, single magnetic door lock. Fourth, exit push button. Fifth, emergency key switch. 6. UTP cable. 1. Connect the cables at the back panel of Seiketeko SF400. 2. To power up the SF400, connect the power cable from SF400 to centralized power supply. 3. Centralized power supply connection. Since we are using UTP cable, we will use 2 wires for the ground that we will connect to the centralized power supply. Color coding of the wire will depend on you. For me, I choose white orange and white brown. Then I use orange for the 12 volts connection to COM1 of SF400. 4th, single magnetic door lock connection. Connect the 12 volts of magnetic lock to SF400 NC1 and connect the ground to the power supply ground. 5th, exit push button connection. Connect the exit button bat to SF400 bat, then connect the ground of exit button to the SF400 ground. 6. Emergency key switch connection. Connect the NC1 of key switch to NC1 of SF400, then connect the ground of key switch to ground of centralized power supply. Access the main menu of SF400. Click User Management and click View User. Then click the fingerprint and you can choose what finger you will use to register. For example, number 6. Then tap the SF400 reader 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And back to main display of the SF400. And now, we can test our fingerprints if we can open the single magnetic door lock. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell so you will be updated. Again, I'm Kenz, Abopin Pinoy, saying, if I can do it, they can do it. Then why not you?